In our red example, we see everything I have outlined coming together. Red used as visual language to connote danger or romance. Red used as a basic building block of visual communication, a semiotic sign, to trigger subconscious recognition from the target audience, or our primary. This triggering of subconscious recognition of a visual element as having something beyond itself to communicate leads to the audience to perceive. This perceiving allows the sign action to begin to work to provide more visual clues and hints to interpret, which engages the target audience more and more. The ensuing semiosis sign action allows for deeper interpretations of the semiotic representations, eliciting deeper meaning to be gained. All this is in the hands of the creatives during their ideation phase. Semiosis applied early on from the iconic level upwards will pay dividends later.